These are the fine line bottles from Spellbinders. I use them for my liquid glue because that fine tip on the bottle makes it really, really easy to use with both big pieces of cardstock as well as intricate die cuts. I can put little dots of glue where I want it to go, and I have a lot of control. To fill them, it's very easy to just pour your glue in there. This cap screws right off, and once it's filled, you can screw the cap back on. The size is very comfortable to hold in your hand, and I like how fine that glue bottle is. When I use it for die cuts like this, it's perfect for just adding a touch of glue to the end of all of those little die cut bits. By using a bottle like this, I find I have a lot of control over the amount of glue I put on my die cuts. It makes it so much easier to use for intricate die cuts and even stems like this to be able to control exactly how much adhesive I want on that die cut. Now, I use my fine line bottle for liquid glue, but you could also use it for paints if you wanted to use acrylic paint with it and create a really fine line, or have a lot of control over exactly how much you paint in a certain area. This is a handy tool. I use mine all the time when I'm creating.